It must have been the most challenging recovery and restoration of a historic building for the last 2 decades in the city of Patras. 2 Grade 1 listed neoclassical homes sitting within a live archaeological dig and opposite the spectacular ancient Roman theatre. Working on historic buildings means you are literally standing on the shoulders of giants. You see, the Odio house was built over the ruins of ancient civilizations. Our predecessors built these walls with the vestiges of Greece's cultural heritage: Mycenaean, Roman, Byzantine, Venetian, and finally Ottoman. How could I not be inspired and motivated by that? I was amongst the last generation of designers to graduate from Manchester without having access to computers. And that makes us more and more unique. It's a design approach that looks, feels, and breathes human. I'm going to go out on a limb here, but I believe as humans we need to stay in touch with the physical, more, not less. Actually, it's turned out to be a very happy home on multiple levels. Everyone in the family finds their favourite space and hideaway. A sort of mini labyrinth really, a jeu d'enfant. In fact, it was a happy build too. This has an important role-on effect. Looking back at stressful moments that every project experiences with a wry smile on your face means you know you've done good. Tous les objets dans la maison sont très personnels. C'est surtout les vestiges de la famille et de nos époques dans les colonies françaises. La commode et le Bouddha d'Indochine, et les ivoires, peaux de panthère et ornements de nos séjours en Afrique occidentale française. You see, a house and a home are 2 very different things. I like to think I deliver treasured memories and emotions. I create that catalyst, that tipping point, which turns the shell of a house into that beloved thing we all long for: home. What is my mission today? To see the world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower? To hold infinity in the palm of my hand and live eternity within an hour? That wasn't me, by the way. That's a quote from the great William Blake. But no, there are thousands of abandoned buildings throughout Greece, waiting to be restored, brought back to life, cherished, and passed on to our future generations. It's really very simple, but not easy, if you know what I mean.